Right, bro. I dare you to go push that fire alarm over there, and if you don't, then you're a crybaby and a wimp. Bro, come on, man. You gotta give me something harder, you know? Watch this. Those menacing kids again, for God's sake. Oi, Darren, come here. Was that you, huh? That put the fire alarm off, huh? Do you know how much it costs us every time you do that? I would never do such a thing. It was Kevin over here, trying to be big and cool. You're just gonna bang me out like that. Oh, Kevin, it's alright then, Kevin. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine, miss. Yeah, grounded for the next year. Tell me to do something, I'll do it right now, big man. You know, man runs this shit out here. Big man, put the fire alarm off and stand there. Watch. What? I'm waiting for the head teacher in a minute. Is this Kevin again? God. What the hell do you think you're doing? Huh? Again? You did this 4 years ago, I remember this. I grounded you for the year. Talk loud to me again, and man will fully shank you, do you understand? Now I'm telling you, man somehow tripped over, and no, button that, I clicked it, what? It's fine, Kevin, it's fine, you must have fallen over. Yeah, my bad. What pussy, Shaniqua, take her brush back, bitch.